Let me tell you why this channel exists. I have studied finance and marketing, and for a long time, I thought understanding finance meant understanding money. But slowly, I realized something. There is a big difference between knowing financial concepts and understanding what money does to real life. Because money is not only a subject, it becomes your stress, your family pressure, your fear, your future, and the question we quietly carry in our minds, but rarely say out loud. I remember a conversation with someone who was earning well, working hard, saving regularly, and doing most things right. From the outside, his life looked stable. But one day he asked me a very simple question: how much is enough? Like, actually enough so I can stop worrying? That question stayed with me because it was not really about a number. It was about peace, about safety, about whether all this hard work is actually leading somewhere. And if we are honest, many of us carry the same question, maybe in a different form. If I'm working so hard, why do I still feel behind? If I'm saving money, why do I still not feel secure? If I'm doing what I was told to do, why does money still feel confusing? That is why this channel exists.